I tell people all the time, yes, we got our butt kicked initially sometimes because we were a basic skills program. But if you keep working at it and you develop those relationships inside, people talk about the external. To me, the internal are just as important because those things allow you to do the things that we are doing now. It took time. This is not happen. This is not an overnight process. It takes time. The thing I want to say to folks is none of these relationships were mandated by the president's office. All these relationships were developed based on us going to folk, talking to folk, showing folk, folks seeing our product. I have a young lady who's a work study right now who's working over in admissions. Didn't know it, but walked in and saw it. So our people are all over the campus. So the product's there. They see the product. They understand now the product. And that is the most important thing. Our past president was part of this, and our new president is even more part of it. So, you know, it's something that has evolved, but again, everybody got to see the product. It's not what Phil Goins does, it's what they see these students do. And like I say when I make presentations, that's the most important thing that you have going for you because that's your marketing tool. When you get ready to sit down and start asking for stuff, they see the person now. And that is the most important thing, is the student. And I tell them all the time, you constantly are playing marketing, and we played that at the beginning. We had to, because we had to sort of circle the wagon and say, listen, folks don't look at us in the right way at times. So we had to develop an image, and we had to develop this community that we have, that we were tight, and that we helped one another. I still have to go back to developing the relationships with the people internally in the college because I can go most places now, and if a person has, you know, if I need to go over and check applications, for example, like I'm getting ready to go over to admissions because at that time we're starting to register. If I go over and say, listen, you guys, I just want to make sure that our folks are in the system properly, I can hand those names to a person, they check, they get back with me. Those things are imperative to you being successful because, as you and everybody knows, in this thing we call college, we always have deadlines and things have to be in place for people to get into school. So those folks help us get those people into school. And I think those relationships are so important.
Understand the politics, perhaps, of your campus, but most of all, listen to your students. Put all personal feelings aside and let's tear down some of these old barriers that we have put up. For the sake of the students, let's help them achieve the goal that they came here to achieve, and thereby we're achieving our goals and the college goals.